Welcome aspirants. In this video, we bring you the 35 most expected current affairs questions from the BRICS Summit 2025, specially designed for SSC in Delhi police exams. Let's begin. Question 1. Where was the BRICS Summit 2025 held? A. Moscow. B. New Delhi. C. Rio de Janeiro. D. Beijing. Answer C. Rio de Janeiro. Question 2. Which country chaired the BRICS Summit in 2025? A. India. B. Brazil. C. China. D. Russia. Answer B. Brazil. Question 3. Which two leaders joined the BRICS 2025 summit virtually? A. Modi and Putin. B. Jinping and Putin. C. Lula and Jinping. D. Ramaphosa and Modi. Answer B. Jinping and Putin. Question 4. What is the full form of BRICS? A. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Korea. B. Britain, Russia, India, China, South Africa. C. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. D. Bangladesh, Russia, Indonesia, China, Sri Lanka. Answer C. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Question 5. Which global organization is BRICS an alternative to? A. G7. B. UNGA. C. OPEC. D. ASEAN. Answer A. G7. Question 6. What system was discussed to replace SWIFT and reduce dollar dependence? A. Global Pay. B. BRICS Pay. C. BRICSnet. D. Bharat Link. Answer B. BRICS Pay. Question 7. What financial mechanism was proposed at the 2025 BRICS Summit? A. BRICS Reserve Fund. B. Infrastructure Guarantee Mechanism. C. Global Crisis Bailout Pool. D. Digital Yuan Fund. Answer B. Infrastructure Guarantee Mechanism. Question 8. Which country's leader said, "We don't want an emperor," at BRICS 2025? A. Modi. B. Xi Jinping. C. Lula da Silva. D. Ramaphosa. Answer C. Lula da Silva. Question 9. What was India's key concern at the summit regarding resources? A. Oil pricing. B. Water pollution. C. Use of minerals as weapons. D. Sanctions. Answer C. Use of minerals as weapons. Question 10. Which country imposed a 10% tariff warning against BRICS policies? A. UK. B. Russia. C. USA. D. China. Answer C. USA. Question 11. Which of these is a new BRICS member in 2025? A. Iran. B. Argentina. C. Bangladesh. D. Mexico. Answer A. Iran. Question 12. How many total countries are now part of BRICS after expansion in 2025? A. 5. B. 7. C. 9. D. 11. Answer C. 9. Question 13. Which of the following is not a BRICS member as of 2025? A. Egypt. B. South Africa. C. Indonesia. D. Japan. Answer D. Japan. Question 14. BRICS invited which Asian country to strengthen energy cooperation in 2025? A. Sri Lanka. B. UAE. C. Vietnam. D. Pakistan. Answer C. Vietnam. Question 15. What stance did BRICS 2025 take on UN Security Council reform? A. Status quo. B. In support of reform. C. Dissolution of UNSC. D. Veto power expansion. Answer B. In support of reform. Question 16. Which country raised the issue of Kashmir indirectly through terrorism concerns? A. China. B. Iran. C. India. D. Russia. Answer C. India. Question 17. Which West Asian issue caused internal debate at BRICS 2025? A. Syria conflict. B. Israel-Palestine. C. Iraq sanctions. D. Iran nuclear deal. Answer B. Israel-Palestine. Question 18. What governance model did BRICS 2025 endorse? A. Unipolar. B. Tripolar. C. Multipolar. D. Oligarchic. Answer C. Multipolar. Question 19. Which of these themes was discussed in BRICS 2025? A. AI regulation. B. Space defense. C. Biosecurity. Arms. D. Polar sovereignty. Answer A. AI regulation. Question 20. BRICS supported reforms in which climate body in 2025? A. UNEP. B. UNFCCC. IPCC. COP Bureau. Answer B. UNFCCC. Question 21. What climate event did BRICS refer to for 2025 and beyond? A. COP28. B. COP29. C. COP30. Paris Joint Agreement. Answer C. COP30. Question 22. Which region's supply chain dominance was criticized without naming a country? A. Middle East. B. South America. C. East Asia. D. Arctic. Answer C. East Asia. Question 23. Which mineral group did India mention regarding weaponization concerns? A. Uranium or coal. B. Gold or platinum. C. Rare earth or lithium. D. Salt or iron. Answer. C. Rare earth or lithium. Question 24. Which country leads BRICS cybersecurity group in 2025? A. India. B. Russia. C. Brazil. D. South Africa. Answer. B. Russia. Question 25. What is the name of the final statement issued at BRICS Summits? A. Rio Agreement. B. BRICS Unity Charter. C. BRICS Rio Declaration. D. Multipolar Order Pact. Answer. C. BRICS Rio Declaration. Question 26. How did BRICS describe global governance in 2025? A. Polarized. B. Biased. C. Unfair. D. Unjust and unequal. Answer. D. Unjust and unequal. Question 27. Which language was newly proposed for BRICS digital diplomacy outreach? A. Arabic. B. Hindi. C. Portuguese. D. Swahili. Answer. A. Arabic. Question 28. What is the name of the BRICS established financial institution? A. BRICS Bank. B. New Development Bank. C. Southern Monetary Fund. D. Global Reserve Hub. Answer. B. New Development Bank. Question 29. Which country houses the BRICS Bank HQ? A. China. B. South Africa. C. Brazil. D. India. Answer. A. China, Shanghai. Question 30. How many founding members were there in BRICS? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 3. Answer. B. 5. Question 31. Which continent had the most representation in BRICS 2025 after expansion? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. South America. D. Europe. Answer. A. Asia. Question 32. What new sectoral collaboration was proposed in BRICS 2025? A. Defense. B. Digital infrastructure. C. Space tourism. D. Submarine cables. Answer. B. Digital infrastructure. Question 33. What key global financial issue did BRICS 2025 challenge? A. Cryptocurrency regulation. B. USD dominance. C. Interest rate hikes. D. IMF quota. Answer. B. USD dominance. Question 34. BRICS decided to strengthen cooperation in which health-related sector? A. Cancer research. B. Mental health. C. Pandemic early warning. D. Vaccine manufacturing. Answer. D. Vaccine manufacturing. Question 35. Which of the following themes best defines BRICS 2025 vision? A. One world, one power. B. Dominance over debt. C. Reform for equity. D. Divide to lead. Answer. C. Reform for equity.